Today, Sam and Duke's long-awaited adventure began. A big river adventure in a wooden boat. That was the plan. Without further delay, Sam and Duke loaded all their gear, then carried that boat to the edge of the blue water, so clear. Duke jumped to the front of the boat. It's called the bow, while Sam was at the stern, in the back, and shouted, "All ready now!" with a loud heave-ho! They were ready to go. Sam placed his feet on the floor, and with help from his oar, Sam pushed the wooden boat off the shore. "Goodbye!" Sam yelled and waved as they paddled past their home. "Now let's explore this amazing big river, wherever it may roam." The sun shone so bright on that day, as Sam and Duke lost sight of the shore and floated away. "This is shaping up to be an amazing adventure, I must say," Sam said to Duke in a most pleasant way. Together they floated down the swirling waters of the deep blue, watching all the beauty and scenery that the river ran through. They saw many creatures along the shore and on branches way up high. Down in the depths of the deep blue river, an enormous fish swam by. Zigzagging slowly along the banks of the tall grass so green, Sam and Duke marveled at all the wildlife they'd never seen. Duke's tail wagged excitedly, and Sam felt the same as they journeyed down that enchanting watery lane. The duo drifted along until the sun dimmed its light. Sam pulled the boat into a clearing and tied the rope tight. This was the perfect spot to set up camp for the night. They set up the tent under a sky filled with stars so bright as they drifted off to sleep under that wondrous sight. Eventually, the morning came as the sun peeked over the hill. Sam and Duke rowed out through the blue waters so calm and still. The adventurous duo floated for a few hours more, exploring all of the wondrous hidden places of lore. Suddenly, a beautiful deep green forest appeared, as if nature had cast its own spell way out here. Passing between two big rocks, the boat moved slowly through what appeared to be a large tunnel that the river cut into. A tunnel so long and dark pulled that small boat near. Just like that, Sam and Duke suddenly disappeared. Sam yelled, "Duke!" as the echo filled their ears. A beautiful cascading light suddenly appeared as the water slowed and became crystal clear. Like the night falling into day, they exited the cave to find an enchanting discovery unexpectedly made. Sam and Duke had found a magical stream. So much like a dream, a large waterfall fell so high in the sky that the top couldn't be seen. while a large, sorrowful weeping willow covered the entire stream. This was truly a magnificent place where time had stood still, and everything was fine until the river began to go downhill. And just like that, the river picked up speed from slow to fast. Sam and Duke were hit with enormous waves. Boom and splash! The river ran wild and out of control. Oh no! Sam and Duke hoped that the boat wouldn't roll. They headed straight downriver with nowhere else to go. Ferocious waves churned, howled, and crested the bow. Sam realized he couldn't steer or paddle his boat anyhow. As the waves splashed inside, Sam and Duke held on for one wild ride. The two best friends were courageous on this day. Every ounce of their strength they gave. This young boy and his dog were so brave. Upon waves 10 times their size, much to their surprise, Sam and Duke did not capsize. Now laughing and barking as the waves grew small, the big river opened into a meadow of trees so tall. I know this place. It's the end of the stream. We've taken this river as far as it goes, so it seems. Sam gave Duke a great big hug and said, "We make a pretty incredible team." Sam and Duke's big river adventure had come to an end. But very soon, their next amazing adventure was about to begin. The end.